In front of me is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Photos app. Then hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now just click on those type of dots at the top left corners. As you can see, this way all of my files were selected. If you want to delete them, tap on this bin next to shopping cart at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!